So we've got the formula for the Poisson. In this question we said lambda is 22. And we find the probability that x is 18. I've used r here, it doesn't really matter what letter. So my r is 18. So if I'm doing this in part A using the Poisson distribution, I just bung my numbers in. And it will be e to the minus lambda, lambda to the r over r factorial. From what I said the other day, 18 factorial and 22 to the power of 18, they're actually big sums. And before mini calculators, impersonalised calculators were out and available, that would have been very complicated to work out. Okay? That would have been complicated to work out. So that's one reason why we use a normal approximation. But if you bung that in your calculator, or you just use the Poisson feature of your calculator, hopefully you can just tell me the answer is...
0.06.
That's correct, 0.0635. Okay? So that's the exact precise answer using the Poisson distribution. So in part B, we're going to do the same question again, but using the normal approximation. So in part B, we're starting off with x being Poisson, 22. And we are going to say that as lambda is greater than 15, then x will also follow the normal distribution, or certainly can be approximated by the normal distribution. And what's going in my brackets?
15.
Not 15, 15. 22, 22. That was the value of lambda there, yeah. 22, 22. And I'm going to write something down here similar to what I did the other day. We were interested in x being equal to 18 if I was using the Poisson distribution. So I'm going to put a little PO as a suffix down here. Because I need to change that now to a normal probability that x is equal to 18. And what am I going to write down then over here? This is where I've got to use the continuity correction.
71.5 SG. 17.
No, 17.
17.5 up to 18.5, that's right. Okay, because that is 18 to the nearest whole number, and I'm going to put a little suffix n down there just to show I'm changing that from a Poisson probability to a normal probability.
Is this using the rule to approximate Poisson?
Yes. Okay, you've missed the red box rule, but you'll see that in a minute. Okay. So from there, remember the way we do these is going to be the probability that it's less than 18.5 minus the probability that it's less than 17.5. See if you can go straight into the phi notation and work that out from there. I'll pause the video at this point.